Hello everyone, I'm Yasra. Today I'm here to talk about the environment and why it is so important to take care of it. Our earth is the only home we have and it is up to us to take care of it. I want to show you a clip. It is facing many challenges. It is due to the anthropogens, but we shall not be the part of it. I have a solution to restore our earth. Wanna know? Let me show you the water bottles. It seems so silly, but it has a great impact. Take you to the depth. I'm using these water bottles since last year. Instead of using these water bottles, I am using these water bottles so that I can save 400 non-disposable waters waste. So I suggest you to do so. Thank you for watching.